Hello everyone, this is Team Coffee to Code and you are excited to present our solution for problem statement 1. Today you are addressing a very real and often invisible challenge, the executive function gap experienced by manual neurodivergent individual. Our focus is just not building an AI system but building something that truly helps people start and complete tasks without feeling overwhelmed. And then next slide. And this is of the smart companion, the bridging the executive function gap with the neuro exclusive AI. The smart companion is a web-based AI assistant designed to transform overlapping high-level goals into small action-level macro wins. For many individuals with ADHD, dyslexia, or executive function challenge, the difficulty is not understanding what need to be done. It's starting tasks like clean the room or complete an assignment can feel the mentally paralyzing. Our solution address this gap by breaking a large goal into a structured manageable step, delivering only you one step at a time, reducing cognitive overload, maintaining a calm of distraction free interface. Unlike traditional productive tools that so long checklist, our system focus on your clear action at that time, ensuring user can move the forward without the feeling overwhelmed. The goal is simple, not a plan more, but to help the user start and now to the next slide. Microwin. What is microwin? Microwin is single small clearly defined action that can be complete in just a few minutes. Instead of telling a user to clean your table, you guide them step by step. Pick up the one item, put it where it belongs, wipe a small section. Each step is intentionally small. Why? Because for someone struggling with executive function, the biggest challenge in the incision large goal create mental resistance. Small action create movement. Our AI dynamically adjusts the number of steps based on the user selected energy level. Micro mode for low energy 10 8 to 10 small step and normal mode balance breakdown and macro mode fewer large step. And this is adapted granularity ensure the system support the user instead of overlaying them. Macro will reduce the decision fatigue, lower cognitive load, and most importantly, make starting the easier because progress does not begin with the motivation, it begins with the small action. And instead of the just explaining it, let me take we through a quick user flow. So how it actually work. And now we started this is our login screen. You use the secure Google Auth through Firebase. The backend does not handle password ensuring privacy and simplicity. Click continue with Google. Okay. For first time user you ask for only minimal preference, step size, font type, input mode, and break interval, and AI communication style, calm, friendly, strict, and response detail level 3 by 5, font style standard and dyslexic friendly. I choose the ADGT and step quality is micro, very small, and break interval 15 minutes. Will be the continue, save and continue. Okay. This is a home screen. One login the interface to remain minimal, no dashboard, no overlapping widget. Just we clear the question what you would like to work on and type for example like a clean my table and select your energy mode. I'm selecting low energy mode. Okay, and click and start. Okay, this is AI tax of breakdown movement. Within the few seconds, the AI break the high level goal with the structure of the end. It's on the gathering of cleaning supply. Take your time instead of 2 minutes. Focus on this on a step. Gather cleaning supply. Complete your task and done next step. Step two. Remove item from table. Okay, it's fine. Done next step. Done next step. Done next step. And next step. Take your time 15 minutes. Okay, it's fine. And complete task. This was the all step done. You can start a new task anytime. Okay, and now click on profile. User can access the profile at any time. Point out the preference card. Here, your store only minimal preference, step size, font style, input mode. We initially avoid storing and sensitive quantitative data. And click and highlight a step that is to control the generative breakdown will be micro, normal, and macro, adapting the user energy level. And point out the font preference. User can switch the dialect friendly font and reduce the visual stress. Now scroll to your progress. Below you saw the very minimal progress summary. Point at task completed, step down, active tasks completed today, current stick, reward point, and if you keep the instruction of leaderboard, not stick press, or just quickly visit on for progress. And this is your badge, event step count, keep it on. Okay, it's fine. If you something like we did build a productive app, you build a starting an engine. Okay, thank you so much.